Hey everybody, thanks for coming to the web page that shows static cling and vinyl stickers. Now you might be wondering to yourself, what's the difference between those two type of parking permits, a static cling and a vinyl sticker? It's actually really simple. Let me show you an example. This is a static cling sticker, okay? When you order them, this is how they come. They can be printed full color, they can be numbered, and we can put any type of logo or mascot that you want on there. Now, the advantage of a static cling is that it can be peeled off, but it has no adhesive on it. So when you peel it off, you can actually hold it in your hand, and it doesn't really stick to your hand. But it's meant to be applied to the inside of the windshield, and I wanted to show you how to do that on this video. First step, take a wet, damp cloth and clean the inside of the windshield where you want to put the sticker. Then take the static cling sticker and peel it off the back that it's on. Then place it exactly where you want, where you previously had cleaned. It will adhere perfectly to the windshield. You're taking the printed side and facing it outward as if it's being seen from the outside of the car. When you put it on the windshield, go like this with your finger, remove the air bubbles, remove any water that might be in there, and that's a static cling, successfully placed on the inside of the windshield. If you want to remove it, simply peel it off with the side of the tip of your fingernail, and it can easily be removed. Now, a vinyl sticker is a little bit different. A vinyl sticker, as shown in this example here, would go on the outside of the windshield. And the reason why it goes on the outside is because it's sticky on the back. Once you peel it off, it has a tackiness on the back. So when you go to apply it, you kind of have one shot to get it on the windshield, because when you go to put it on, it's going to adhere to the windshield. So how do you do it? Well, let me show you. It's pretty simple. You clean the outside of the windshield where you want it to go really well. You take a cloth and dry the area very well. You want a completely dry, free of dust windshield. This is the outside of the car. You're going to take the vinyl sticker, which is tacky. You're going to place it on the window, stick it on, press it, and it's on now. The only way to get it off is to scrape it off with a razor blade. Typically, these are not removed and placed on other automobiles, because in the process of doing that, they'd be stretched out and they would be ruined. So it's a one-shot deal. You put it on the windshield on the outside, or even on the back window, some schools do, and then that's the application. So static cling on the inside, here, vinyl stickers on the outside, there. And it's real simple. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us. Call us on our toll-free number. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching.